Hey, let me show you how you can hang 20 jack stands on the wall for 200 bucks. And that's much cheaper than anybody else's wall mount jack stand holders. And this setup will hold 3, 6, and 12 ton jack stands. A lot of the other ones you have to buy specific for the size of jack stand. So these are 5-foot vertical E-tracks. Amazon, you can get a 4-pack of 8-foot, which will hold 8 jack stands for 130 bucks. You can get a 10-pack of these beam sockets for $30. So get 2 packs of those, $20, $60 for those, $120 or $130 for the 4-pack of vertical E-track. And all you have to do, take a Sawzall, notch it like that, big adjustable wrench, bend the ears down, and they all fit just like that, even these big guys. So for 200 bucks, you can mount 20 jack stands on the wall.